Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Microsoft Store not working. There are 4 methods to solve this problem, so let's get right into the video. The first method is just try to set your date and time correctly. There might be some reasons in which your date and time might not be corrected, so in that case, click on the date and right-click on your date, and there will you be given adjust date and time. Click on it, and here you have to just set time automatically and set time zone automatically. That's it, and your date and time will be back to normal again. Then try to open your Microsoft Store. If it's working, then you are good to go, and if that's not, then try the second method, that is WS reset. So go to the search bar and search for WS reset. If you don't have the WS reset in here, you just can download it and it will be done. And yeah, WS reset is there. Once you open the WS reset, it will automatically open your Microsoft Store. As you can see, Microsoft Store doesn't open. And once you open the WS reset, your Microsoft Store will be opened up. And if that option doesn't work either, go to troubleshoot your Windows or Microsoft. Search for settings. Search for settings, and here you can see an option update and security. Head over there, and in there you can see an option troubleshoot on the left. Click on it and click on additional troubleshooters. It will allow you to troubleshoot your designated area. So just troubleshoot it and try to run your Microsoft Store again. If it doesn't run again, you just can shift out to the fourth method and the final one, that is Powershell. Search for Powershell. And here it is. And in here you just have to copy the execution code that is given on the here. You just have to copy the execution code that is given in here, and it will be given for you in the description box, and copy it and paste it in here. Then click on enter. Once you click enter, your Microsoft Store problem will be resolved. And open up your Microsoft Store, and hope so it will work again. Let me do mine. And yeah, that's it. My Microsoft Store is working again, and you can do yours one also. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.